What's up, guys? This is Phillyswords RC. Today I got my Traxxas Slayer Pro out, 3S. This was Nitro car converted to electric. You need to get this if you're gonna convert it. This little motor mount, pretty easy to install, real simple to install. Only challenge I had was locking up the transmission. That's the only challenge. Other than that, pretty easy. Got a 13 tooth pinion and a 36 spur. But we got an Onyx ESC 3S 80 amp. Then you got the 3800 kV motor, GoolRC, running on receiver. I use a Fly Sky. And this car got E-Revo front arms and a regular Slayer back arms. I'm gonna do a speed test on today. Got my Power Hobby GPS system on here, so I can track the speed. I don't expect too much out of it. Just never did a speed test on it. Well, enough talk. Let's get into the bash. This car got some power too. Somebody Frankenstein it together. We got a E-Revo front arms on it, and the regular Slayer arms in the back. Oh yeah, it can't handle too much. Them shocks compress way too much. Damn sure ain't no Mojave, I tell you that much. But they do get up. This car was my first conversion, and I didn't have a clue what I was doing until I looked it up on YouTube. I'll leave the parts in the description below, just in case you want to convert your Slayer. You know, it's working out fine for me. I knew that was gonna happen. Only thing with this, the pivot ball keep popping out. Once the pivot ball start popping out, you gotta change it. But I'm trying to avoid that. It's going to keep coming out, but this car really ain't never give me no problems though after I converted it, beside this pivot ball. But it's really not that, you know what I mean, that's a simple fix. Plus the shock compressing so low, that's one reason why I keep coming out. Handling this pretty good. And this is the best place to, okay, got some range on it. grip the, it's actually almost gripping better than the Mojave. But the Mojave tires are bald. Actually, the tires that's on here is the tires for the big rock. And it's handling this terrain pretty good. Let's try some grassy terrain, see how it does. And the grass pretty good. I should have pulled the Mojave out, see if, well, Mojave's gonna be faster. It handles turns a lot better. So I really can't compare these two. This is 6S. I mean, the Mojave is 6S, this is 3S. If it don't count, that is full throttle. That's as good as it's gonna fucking get. Let's check that speed out. That was 34 miles an hour. Car, I gotta do repairs on this. This is Phillyswords RC, and I'm out. Them pivot balls is a pain in the ass, so I'm gonna fix that before I run this again.